Batteries are out. We've got 4 Phillips in here, so we'll just crack them off. Oh, they're tight.
Sawtooth wave, I'm not sure. I think square would be better, but the only way to find out is to get an undesirable lawyer or politician and test it and see, just measure its effectiveness.
Put these in the exponent dish.
People who have, yes, anyway, let's not go there. That's quite dark.
I can't admit.
Let's just do the hot dogs and say, and now you must die. What is this trunk brick? The trunk brick is definitely not something that you'd want to apply.
This was $2.99 in Aldi. So I thought, well, if we kill it, it's only $2.99, and if we don't, then, well, it only costs $2.99, so it's £3.
Why do people do that? Hot dogs
but we get to play.
They're probably made of humans anyway. You just never.
So the 2 screws actually screw into the board,
because if you wanted rid of people,
which make the contacts for the battery.
Would do a great job of it. Is the 240-volt
Got
fork
2 of the screws there, 1 of the screws there, so there he is. So we've got all 4 screws. So there's the board.
Stop buying stuff from China, says Danny Zuko. Good luck with that. Make sure you don't buy stuff from China. Oh, you can't buy it.
There you go.
Yeah. Strange people.
Flick that out.
I've never understood politicians. What makes people become politicians? They're all megalomaniacs and kleptomaniacs. Oh, well, there's your answer.
Warts and all. Right, so we'll pop the button back in, or the
I'm going to
rubber.
have to say that Marie Curie's radium
Pop the lens back in.
just makes you very angry. I mean,
We'll put that back in the packet for safekeeping.
The brain, but it's doing all the wrong things. I think I'll have to
And we'll look at this. So
I love the flag.
this should, I guess, there we go, just slide off. And there we are with the 3 LEDs. Might even change the red ones to greens actually.
Ran it by them, right? And China was okay. She was quite.
Are they 3 or 5 mil? They're quite short.
Was quite aggressive in her view of humans. Some humans.
So let's. I just get these desoldered out and changed over, and we'll look at the results.
4 minutes cross-production of flag, indeed.
So here we have the finished torch. So we've got low, high, and green, which was white and red. So I've changed the red for green and the white for UV. So simple little modification project, and I suppose you'd like to see that way. So yeah, this was a simple little mod. We've got the low power UV, high power UV, and these are only 3mm UVs, not 5, and they're 5mm ultra bright clear greens. They were red. So £3 for the torch. Bit of fun just modifying it out, and a little project for a video. So that was a bit of fun. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy my content.